tradition. Grant eats cookies in the beginning of any video that we do stupidly. I don't have my head on. I said I did not. Okay, so this time we're going to be doing Stupid Idiots Part 2 fighting. Round number 2. Stop it. Okay, I guess we're starting. You're teabagging me. And then your butt. Oh, he still has the cookie. Oh, I don't want to punch him in the gut. Hey, you can't take helmets off. You can't take helmets off. No, doesn't. Oh, God. Let's go. Oh, my head. It's unprotected. It's unprotected.
Okay, hold on. Put your sparring. Put your sparring on.
Time out. Hi.
See you next time.
No.
See you next time.
We're not doing it next time. Don't you dare.
Yes. See you next time. We're gonna get some water.
No.
And we're gonna make another.
Don't end it. I said, don't end it. Don't end it. I said, don't end